Junction City.
So, as the title suggests, this is me, my dad, and my brother's trip into the Trinity Alps. And we did quite a few things there as far as fishing goes, hiking, exploring, and just really getting into the wilderness. So this is my take on how the journey went, and I hope you enjoy it. Maybe you learn something, maybe you get convinced to go visit the Trinity Alps. Just something positive, hopefully. And yeah, that's all I've got to say for this beginning. Get into it. Yeah, this is some great stuff. Fish number 1 has been obtained. Nice. No rainbow. I watched him. I saw like I was like, ooh, that's a nice one. You always gotta wet your hands.
Why?
Before handling trout, because the slime, it like comes off really easily, and it's bad for them to if you have dry hands.
Cool.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. In the video you had just watched, we were at a spot called the Sinks, and we had hiked there. It's about 3 miles in, and it's not bad, but it wasn't quite what we were looking for. So we decided to head farther into the mountains, truly into the wilderness, where we got to the Upper Canyon Lake. Alright, at the Upper Lake is what it's called, I think, and you already know, about to get into the fishing. Alright, let's get that cast in. So you see right there, there's that blue mayfly just flying around. Starting out shallow. Nothing following it. Oh, little guy. Oh! This is a tiny fish. But it was, oh, he came off. About 3 inches. but they're biting, which is a good sign. In the time I wasn't recording, I caught these 2 fish, and they were about 8 to 10 inches each, so what I decided to do was just fillet them out, and that's what you're seeing now, is me filleting these trout, which we'd later cook up to supplement our dinners.